If you're a man over 50 and you've started noticing changes like reduced firmness, slower recovery, or even less sensitivity, you're not alone. These aren't random problems, they're extremely common, but most men never talk about them. The good news? There's a natural way to fix them without pills, risky treatments, or expensive products. As you age, your body produces fewer natural oils, collagen levels drop, and circulation slows down. That means the delicate tissue in your intimate areas becomes thinner, less elastic, and more prone to irritation or damage. Every session without proper lubrication slowly adds up to reduced sensitivity and performance. But here's the solution: using specific natural oils that not only provide lubrication, but also nourish your skin, protect tissue health, and even improve blood flow. In this video, you'll discover exactly why lubrication is essential after 50, why natural oils outperform commercial products, which 5 oils are the most effective, and how to use them correctly. By the end, you'll know how to protect your tissue, restore sensitivity, and enjoy stronger, longer-lasting performance, naturally and safely. If you're over 50 and things don't feel quite the same anymore, this video is for you. Maybe firmness doesn't last as long. Maybe recovery is slower than it used to be. Or maybe sensitivity isn't what it once was. If any of that sounds familiar, you're not broken and you're definitely not alone. These are some of the most common changes men experience as they age, but almost nobody talks about them openly. Here's what's really happening. Your skin produces far less of the natural oils it once did. In your younger years, sebaceous glands kept everything naturally moisturized and resilient. But after 50, that production drops by nearly half. That means your skin is thinner, less elastic, and more vulnerable. Every time you go without proper lubrication, you risk creating tiny microtears in the tissue. Over the years, those add up, leading to reduced sensitivity, irritation, and quicker loss of firmness. On top of that, your blood vessels aren't as responsive as they used to be. Circulation becomes less efficient, which makes it harder to maintain firmness and bounce back quickly. Many men just assume this is aging, but in truth, much of it comes down to poor lubrication and declining tissue health. The good news? You can take control. With the right natural oils, you can protect tissue, restore sensation, and improve circulation. This isn't about enhancement, it's about long-term health, comfort, and performance. Most men think lubrication is just about making things smoother or more comfortable. But after 50, it's no longer optional. It's essential for health. Without proper lubrication, every session puts unnecessary stress on delicate tissue. Small injuries build up over time, reducing sensitivity, causing irritation, and even affecting long-term performance. Think of it like this. If you rubbed your hands together without moisturizer every day, eventually the skin would dry out, crack, and become less responsive. The same thing happens to intimate tissue. What used to heal quickly now takes longer because collagen production has slowed down, elasticity has weakened, and your natural oil supply has dropped. Lubrication solves more than just friction. It protects, restores, and maintains tissue health. Certain natural oils don't just sit on the surface. They're absorbed into the skin, delivering vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants directly where they're needed most. This helps improve circulation, restore elasticity, and keep nerve endings healthy. Over time, this doesn't just prevent damage, it can actually reverse some of the decline. So if you're experiencing reduced pleasure, sensitivity loss, or slower recovery, chances are it isn't just age, it's accumulated damage from inadequate lubrication. The solution isn't complicated. By using the right oils consistently, you can stop further damage, restore comfort, and even bring back sensation you thought was gone. At this point, you might be wondering, why not just grab a regular lube from the store? The truth is, most commercial lubricants are designed for short-term slickness, not long-term health. They're packed with chemicals like glycerin, parabens, and artificial additives that can irritate sensitive tissue, especially with regular use. They evaporate quickly, dry you out, and leave your skin even more vulnerable afterward. Natural oils work differently. Instead of coating the skin, they absorb into it. They deliver nutrients like vitamin E, omega fatty acids, and natural antioxidants that strengthen tissue, repair damage, and improve blood flow. They last longer, feel smoother, and don't break down as quickly as water-based lubes. That means less interruption, more comfort, and real health benefits with every use. Another advantage? Natural oils improve resilience over time. Men who switch to oils often notice that within weeks, their skin feels healthier, firmer, and more sensitive again. That's because oils don't just make things feel good in the moment, they actually repair and protect for the future. The 5 best oils and their benefits. Here are the 5 oils that stand out as the most effective for men over 50. 1. Coconut oil, the all-around winner. It melts at body temperature, feels natural, and has antimicrobial properties that protect against irritation. Many men find it helps them maintain firmness longer. 2. Sweet almond oil. Best for sensitivity issues. It's lightweight, packed with vitamin E and B vitamins that repair nerve endings, and omega fatty acids that calm inflammation. If you've lost sensation, almond oil helps restore it. 3rd, grapeseed oil. Ideal for circulation. It's light, silky, and loaded with antioxidants that strengthen blood vessels and boost blood flow. That means better firmness and quicker recovery. 4. Jojoba oil, the skin balancer. Because it mimics your body's natural oils, it helps regulate production and deeply nourishes tissue. It's rich in zinc and copper, making it great for repair and long-term health. 5. Argan oil, the premium option. Rich in vitamin E, squalene, and ferulic acid, it restores elasticity, supports circulation, and protects aging skin. It's more expensive but worth it for men needing extra care. You don't need all 5. Pick one based on your main concern: firmness, sensitivity, circulation, or overall resilience, and use it consistently. Section 5. How to use oils and final call to action. So, how do you get the best results? Start by warming a small amount of oil between your hands so it spreads comfortably. Apply it 5 to 10 minutes before activity to give your skin time to absorb the nutrients. Begin with half a teaspoon and add more if needed, but avoid overdoing it, since too much can feel greasy. If you're going for a longer session, keep the oil nearby and reapply every 20 to 30 minutes to stay protected. If sensitivity restoration is your goal, combine almond oil with a drop of vitamin E oil for extra nerve support. If you want premium care, mix jojoba and argan oils for both immediate comfort and long-term benefits. A few cautions. Oils can weaken latex condoms, so if you need protection, use polyurethane or polyisoprene alternatives. Always test a small amount on your arm first to make sure you don't react. And don't forget, store oils properly in a cool, dark place. Now here's the key. Commit to using your chosen oil consistently for 30 days. Track how your sensitivity, firmness, and recovery change over time. Many men see results in as little as 2 weeks, with even greater improvements after a month. Remember, this isn't just about comfort, it's about long-term health. By protecting your tissue today, you're investing in sensitivity, performance, and confidence for years to come.